All right, thank you so much. This is Jason Hinton. I'm the Senior PDM in Chicago, and I'm here with Katie Ryckman. Katie, we were talking about, as Microsoft likes to do, programs with acronyms. So I'm going to see if I get it right. It's the US SMB CSP POC. So
got it.
Can you tell us about this program and why we need to act before December 31st to take advantage?
Yeah, definitely. So we've had the CSP POC program around for a little while now, but we've expanded it this fiscal year to include SMB customers. And what we're doing is we're providing $2,000 worth of Azure services during a POC timeframe for your end customer. And it's CSP only. So as he was saying, it's US SMB, CSP, POC, all acronyms for the name of the program. But we've got 25 of those kind of passes, if you will, or sets of credits available for Azure CSP customers to try out Azure CSP in a POC, migration POC type of scenario. So whether they're migrating, say, from on-prem to Azure CSP, or they're migrating from a competitive platform such as AWS or GCP, and they want to try out Azure CSP. And the idea would be once the POC is successful, then it would be kind of like a pilot to migration type of workload, where once it's successful, they would go straight into a full-blown migration. So we're offering during that POC timeframe $2,000 across up to 2 months to use that $2,000 worth of services for your customers. And again, we've got 25 of those available through the end of this calendar year. So hence the impetus to see if this would help to kind of further or accelerate one of the opportunities that you have already in your pipeline. Or to help uncover new opportunities. Just talking to Brent earlier about let's see about how we can get those used, because it's a great opportunity to drive from POC to migration and drive some net new ACR.
So there's only 25 left. And didn't you say the PDM is the one who has to submit it? So no complicated submission process or anything like that, right?
So there is a bit of a submission process. It is internally requested, so your PDM would have to request on your behalf. They would send you over some paperwork to fill in. It's a one-page Word document where you put in the customer details, the subscription details of the for the CSP tenant, things like that, so that we can take over that CSP tenant and pay for that consumption up to $2,000 up to 2 months. So there is a little bit of paperwork, but it's started by the PDM, and then they would pull you in for kind of next steps. But it all goes pretty quickly. Usually it's about a 3 to 4 day turnaround.
Perfect. Thanks, Katie.
Thank you.